back once again. We going through the same chapter, that is redox reaction. In the last lecture, we discussed with the rules to assign the oxidation number of element. We discussed with the seventh rule. The first rule, that the oxidation number of free atom or homomolecule is equal to 0. Second rule, the oxidation number of monoatomic ion is equal to its charge. Third rule, the oxidation number of hydrogen is either +1 or -1. +1 when it forms a bond with a non-metal. Hydrogen is -1 when it forms a bond with a metal. Fourth rule was the oxidation number of oxygen is always -2 except hydrogen peroxide. Whenever peroxide linkage is present, at that time oxygen is -1. And in case of OF2, in OF2 oxygen is +2 because fluorine is more electronegative atom. Next, the oxidation number of halogen. Fluorine is always -1. Chlorine, bromine, iodine is also -1. But if fluorine, chlorine, bromine makes a bond with the oxygen, at that time it will be +1. Next was the algebraic sum of polyatomic neutral molecule is equal to its charge, means equal to 0. जब भी हम polyatomic neutral molecule के सारे एटम के ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट को जब हम ऐड करेंगे तो उसका ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट क्या होगा? 0 होगा, मतलब sum of oxidation state. And last rule was the sum of oxidation state of all atom of polyatomic ion is equal to its charge. We seen the example of the hydronium ion H3 positive. H3 positive having a charge of the molecule that is +1. Okay, so when we add the oxidation state of all the atom, that is hydrogen and oxygen, we get the answer that is +1. So that was a rule we have discussed in the last lecture. So in today's lecture, we will discuss with some numerical part, I can say here, how to find out the oxidation number, okay, of a particular atom or particular element. The question may ask in this way: calculate the oxidation number of underlying atom. So I have taken a number of examples here. So we will solve one by one. So we will use some rule out of that 7. So first one, we will calculate the oxidation number of KMnO4. In that the underline is Mn, manganese. So we have to find out the oxidation number of Mn. So we know that how to find out oxidation number of potassium plus oxidation number of Mn plus oxidation number of oxygen. Okay, now here this KMnO4 molecule does not consist of a charge, means it is equal to 0. This is oxygen. Okay, so as we know that potassium is a group 1 element and it has a charge +1. As per the rule, oxygen is -2. And we have to find out the manganese, that is X. So we know that how much potassium is there? 1K, so +1 plus oxidation number of Mn. Mn का मुझे find out करना है, आएगा X. Oxygen is -2. How many oxygen? 4 oxygen. 2 4s are 8, -8. Now equal to 0. So X is equal to 8 will come here, +8 +1 here, -1. X is equal to +7. Means here Mn has oxidation molecule has charge, that is 0. So 2x is equal to minus 14 here plus 14 plus 2 here minus 2 equal to 12. Okay, so 2x is equal to 2x is equal to 12 by 2 equal to plus 6. So here chromium has plus 6 oxidation state. Right now, next we have to find out. I will see the example HNO3. Okay, here nitrogen का oxidation state आपको क्या करना है, find out करना. So once again hydrogen has +1, oxygen has -2. नाइट्रोजन का मैंने x ले लिया. So here one nitrogen is present, +1 x 2 3 is 6 -6 equal to 0. So x will be yes -6, यहाँ पे कितना +6 +1 x is equal to 1. So here nitrogen has +5 oxidation state. H2SO4. Okay, in H2SO4 सल्फर का मुझे फाइंड आउट करना है. हाइड्रोजन +1 होता है रूल के हिसाब से, ऑक्सीजन क्या होता है -2. तो 1 into +2 x 2 4 8 -8 equal to molecule charge is 0. So x will be -8 +8 -2 means +6. Hope you understood. Same here, H3PO3. Here phosphorus oxidation number we have to calculate. So as per the rule, once again -1, oxygen is -2. So how many hydrogen is there? 3 hydrogen. 1 into 3 plus 3. Phosphorus we have to find out. I take an x. 2 3 is 6 -6 equal to 0. So x is equal to -6 here, and this we get a +3. So phosphorus has +3. Next, that is 6 number, K2Cr2, sorry, K2C2O4. Here we have to find out the oxidation number of carbon. So potassium once again +2, carbon I taken a x, oxygen is -2. Okay, so 1 into 2 +2. How many carbon? 2 carbon, 2x. 2 4 is 8 -8 equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 8 will come here, +8 -2 6. So x will be 2 by 6, sorry 6 by 2 equal to 3. Okay, here I taken a two example of the polyatomic ion. Okay, example number 7, that is Cr2O7 -2, chromium oxidation state we have to find out. So I taken a x here and oxygen is -2. X 2 chromium is there, 2x 2 7 is 14 -14. Now molecule has a charge which is -2. In our example it was 0. Here I take an example of the polyatomic ion. So here -2. Now 2x is equal to 14 will come here, -14 will become +14 +14 -2 will be 12. So x is equal to 12 by 2, which is equal to 6. So here chromium has +6 oxidation number. Last example, that is MnO4 -2. Once again we have to find out the oxidation number of Mn. So Mn I taken a x, oxygen minus 2. So here x minus 2 for the 8 minus 8, and molecule has a charge that is minus 2. So x will be minus 8 plus 8, that is plus 6. So Mn has plus 6 oxidation state. So hope you understood how to find out the oxidation number and how to find out the oxidation number of each element. This example, रूल नंबर 7 हमको अगर टैली करना है, इसे MnO4 minus 2, मतलब ये ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर हम जब ऐड करेंगे इक्वल टू क्या आना चाहिए, 2 आना, -2 आना चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे हमने Mn का ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट फाइंड आउट कर लिया, that is +6. Mn has the oxidation state +6, oxygen has a -2, molecule has a charge